tayo. Ano, Finding Nemo tayo? Ate! Ate!
Sana yun.
Hindi ko kumagay. Ang ganda mo. Para mga Benny! Ay, mga sisterets! Ate pala, tignan dito, fresh na fresh. Dito, Wondermark. Okay, bebe, meron ka mag-board? Ha?
Magkano dalawa kayo?
Tignan natin mo napag-usapan, buka muna, bebe.
May foreigner ka pang, Englishin mo ate.
20 pesos only.
Sit by side, my friend.
Oh. Sit first before you ask anything. Okay, 20 pesos each. 40 pesos you too.
20 each. It's 40 pesos. It's very cheap.
Okay?
Very expensive.
So easy.
No, it's
Don't
cheap.
panic, everything's under control.
Restaurant ka ba?
Oh, I will pay you. Uriyo, I will pay you.
Don't scared.
Wait, wait.
Don't scared. Stay calm, be yourself. Okay?
Welcome to the Philippines, my friend.
Oh, welcome.
Okay, welcome.
Very expensive.
It's more fun in the Philippines.
And also very funny, all Filipino here in Philippines.
If you take a jeep, that's 30
Ano
peso.
ka?
But here it's, it's minivan. It's more expensive than 7 peso. It's not expensive, it's very cheap.
It's very expensive.
Madali pag-isip mo. Pero ako po.
Ay, maaari ka sa kanya mag-jeepin. Bumuha na kayo, mag-jeep. Sa uli mo na yung pera nila. We will give
Oy,
the
John Street.
Huh?
I mean, it's pregnant.
breakdown. Congratulations.
Always careful though.
What country are you, boss?
From
Kulang ng pram.
America.
Huh?
America, San Diego.
Yeah.
Where are you in Europe?
where the country come from?
Huh?
Where?
Lithuania.
Huh?
Why?
Saan?
Lithuanian, alam ko European. Yan.
European.
European, alam ko
Europe.
yun.
Europe, that's why I don't know how to speak Europe.
$58.
Huh?
That's Euro.
Euro sa kanila yun.
It's expensive because they're
Euro. That's why I'm so sorry because I don't know how to speak Euro and you're European.
expensive Europe because everybody pays for Ukraine.
Yes, that's true.
Oh.
But here, your money is very, it's
Huh?
one peso equivalent to
See?
15
Filipino
times.
very funny one.
In my country, Europe, everything is expensive because everybody needs to pay for Ukraine now.
Are you okay?
Yeah, they take all our money now.
Everything money talks.
You know, the president of Ukraine, she is crazy.
Everything money talks.
She's crazy.
Hindi na maganda.
The president,
Pero nga mukha walang pera.
Ha?
the president of Ukraine, she is crazy.
Ito lang natin.
Philippines?
You know Philippines ah?
The president of Ukraine, she is
You
crazy.
know the Philippines are very hospitality. Possible?
They took money from hospitals now.
Oh, because here in Philippines, all Filipino have a hospitality. You know
Oh,
the very approaching.
but they took money away from hospitals now.
Why?
Ang ibig niya sabihin, yung Ukraine daw, kinukuha yung pera nila sa hospital.
Oo.
Yung bill
Mayaman
niya.
daw.
Oh, bakit? Why?
She said they took money for
Because,
health.
ano tawag natin? Ano pangalan ng presidente
Kasi
na
yung mga tao ngayon,
Doon?
sa PhilHealth natin, ginakaw nila yung fund ng PhilHealth. Wala na, zero na lang.
So now she doesn't know where to give
Hinati
birth
nila
now.
yung pang-educational ng mga estudyante, hinati nila yung mga financial fund ng ano.
Yeah,
Si
Ukraine.
Bongbong Marcos.
Everybody in Europe are paying for Ukraine now.
I think, this is my idea, my friend. Our business,
Yeah, because this BlackRock controls all the governments now.
na bata, I promise you, my friend, President Trump, he promised that they will stop it.
There's Klaus Schwab,
You're
and that is
everyone.
like Hitler's descendant. And
You're
Klaus
everyone,
Schwab
or you're just
controls
claiming?
governments around the
You're just
world.
claiming?
This is my
Anyone?
promise. When Trump, the first
Ay,
day,
ayun ka, friendship, Antipolo! Wait, dito aircon, super lamig ko na board.
Plus.
O, diba? Ang fan kami. O, Antipolo! Awit ko yan.
Welcome aboard.
O, diba?
Oh.
Super lamig, ang refreshing. Uwi kayong fresh sa pamilya.
Owing fresh sa pamilya
Correct.
kasi malamig.
Oo. I'm galing hard work. Uy, balik! Ate, where are you? Ate, where are you? Ano, finding Nemo tayo? Ate! Ate!
Sana yun.
Hindi ko kamagay! Ang ganda mo!
Pwede nyo
Ang
naman.
ganda niya! Ang ganda po! Ano mga beshi? Ganda ni ate! Sayang! Sayang!
Ate, ikot lang to, may terminal, yung bus mo.
Ang terminal ko sa Ayala, Wanayala.
Wanayala.
Kami magkapatid. Parang karo sa likod ng ikot.
Ay, sa Antipolo, meron din.
St. Peter sa may Bonifacio.
St. Peter sa may Bonifacio.
Ay, pa gano'n. Sa St. Peter.
Ano oras biyahe nito sa umaga?
4 to 11 p.m.
4 to 11 p.m.
4 a.m. to 11 p.m.
Hindi siya 24 hours. Araw-araw ang biyahe nito.
Magkapatid, minsan po, 30 na madaling araw.
Magkakapatid? Kapatid mo yan?
Oo. Biological, ano ko yan? Brother. Pangat ko yan. Ako pangalan.
Oo. Matagal ka nang nagkokonduktor?
Actually, wala pa isang buwan.
Bago lang. Anong
Kasi
pinagka...
talaga rito na tumanda sa yan.